this is the area on the 12th of February, so 6 days after signing of Te Tiriti. This is one of the areas that the sheets were brought to have some of the final signatories put on there. Yeah, beautiful spot.
Nice.
Lucky to come here.
Yeah.
Tiro tiro hai.
I was a bit nervous when you're bringing me up to a mission, bro. Anytime I get close to a church, I start burning up.
Well, funnily enough, the hapu of the area is Ngāti Toro, so...
Ngāti Toro. Tēnā koutou Ngāti Toro. Aye.
This house was built in the 1830s and occupied by Reverend Nathaniel Turner and handed to the Hobbs family eventually. From there, the Hobbs family entertained the third signing of the Treaty of Waitangi. So they gathered here on the 12th of February, 1840. Just under 70 prominent chiefs of the area signed a document on this very table here. This house ended up being shifted to Onehunga. They put it on a raft and it stayed there for quite a while, and then it was purchased privately by a family, and then it was gifted back to the Horiki community and the Heritage New Zealand people of the time, and it was shifted back here in the early 70s. This whare played a big part in the founding of our nation.